Hi traders, good morning. If you are in Asia session or in Asia, and good evening for you guys in USA, especially in New York area or Chicago area. So this is the review for 8th of September 2020 about the market, which is a go sideways during US session. Then there's a breakout session on 8th of September. So now for the Asia session, we just entering the 9th of September. Okay, but so we start with the review first later on about the chart ES and Q and YM as well. The crude oil, we have a good profit yesterday. Crude oil $220 US, which is you later. And for our account at this moment, we still not much movement. We have a loss of $14, but this one is the net losses compared to this a profit as well for, and also there's losses. Okay, and it was very unfortunate. We didn't manage to get a good profit, but the most of the profit trading came from the Nasdaq yesterday. So let's take a look on the purchase and sales. So by the way, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share, and comment below. Hope you guys enjoy this video and might be helpful. I'm using the indicator US session scalping, so it will be a good indicator for the commodity energy sector and as well for these indexes. All right, so we did have 5 lots trading for mini Nasdaq yesterday. Sorry, micro mini Nasdaq and as well the micro mini Dow. There's losses all of the market because I'm stuck in the sideway during the beginning of US session, and it was very unclear. It was too greedy and too hurry into the market. So we'll find it was almost 4% down from the Nasdaq yesterday, and I have a losses. If you take a look back on my mini S&P, so I have a losses as well. So this also in my live Telegram channel there is a losses, but for crude oil this is a loss for mini S&P yesterday. I mean, yesterday in my time in Asia, it was yesterday for you guys early in the morning, the same day. Okay, for crude oil, we did manage to get plus 21 ticks or plus 22 ticks. Some of you did manage to push even further to 25 ticks, but it was a good one. So this is the profit we did enter yesterday during the US session, plus 21 ticks or $210 per contract size. Okay, so back to the platform, we'll see that the losses came from the mini S&P. It's about of the yesterday market or current market condition which is very volatile. We can see that one candle can have a very big risk. Okay, so that's why I'm trading only the micro mini S&P, and I'm using only one lot for mini S&P. In comparison with the mini Nasdaq, I'm managed to use a lot because I'm a bit confident about the market yesterday. All right, so let's take a look. Okay, now we have now a good market condition of the bearish movement. So let's take a look first on the Nasdaq, because last night we have a good grab on the profit from the Nasdaq, which balanced back our account back to the minus $14, which is not much. It's a loss, minus 0.73% on our day trade return, but it was pretty much safe. We can still survive for the next day. All right, so for Nasdaq, we did receive first sell signal. So the first during the US session is the buy signal. I should take this one, but the risk for this one is quite huge. So that's why I choose not to trade it, and I prefer to have a bearish signal to go into inside the market. So, but by rules of thumb for this indicator, first signal appeared 9:30 and above under time frame. Let's say 10 minutes will be a good. It will be a good signal for us to go into the market. So as you can see, the entry is a bit high because this candle is higher, but it's getting higher. So it was a good profit from this one at the beginning of your session, and should be take you about 1 hours to complete. So this first signal appeared at 9:40 a.m. In the morning, New York time. So we have a good profit of 245 till 394. So it's just about 150 points. So 150 points. Then after that, the market did make a consolidation or sideway movement, and then another breakout. So this means based from this breakout, we can see that a short sell position will be a good one. So I did manage to enter into the market for Nasdaq. So as you can see, there's a buy signal, but this buy signal is not triggered. Okay, and then there's next one is the sell signal. So this sell signal enter nicely at around let me take a look, what's the point, 1160, sorry, 11 what 173. So based from this one, we did manage to have a good, nice, decent entry for Nasdaq. So as you can see, the price enter the market, pull back, and just nice go forwards down until early the beginning of the market session today. I mean, today in Asia time is the 9th of September. In US time, the opening of the new session. Okay, so you can see that's why this is a good one. After the market consolidation, it tried to break out. There's a signal for buy. I'm queuing for buy as well. I'm queuing for the next signal, which is for the short sell position. So I remove my buy signal entry, which is the stop limit order up here, because the sell signal indicator already appeared, then asked me to stand by for the short of the market. Okay, so for this entry, we can see there's a very minimal of negative floating, which is quite stable. It's quite easy. So it was a good start as well. So there's a minimal floating negative, so it's quite confident, and then the market go further down. So this is where most of the profit from yesterday came from. Then I did manage to balance back all the losses from the mini and also the Dow mini, which is a Dow mini 1 point equal to $5, which is quite a lot. That's why it is advisable to trade with the micro Dow, which is with micro Dow, it's 1 point is about 50 cents. So we can trade more if you want, about half. So this means we cut half the risk from the mini Dow by using the micro mini Dow. Okay, so as for today, I'm still expecting for the market to have a bearish move. Let's wait, especially during the London session. Maybe there will be a good direction indication. So most of the market have a same trendy move yesterday, and except for natural gas, if I'm not mistaken, there's a slight different. But for mini S&P, there's you can click the link below in the description to join my live Telegram channel. I will only trade one signal per day normally. Try to avoid multiple entry just to make sure that the loss is minimum. For example, like in this live, I'm showing you that we have a losses of $75. So let it be. I will not counter back. So the first signal appeared is same as Nasdaq, is to go buy somewhere here at about 9:40. All right, so 9:50 a.m. New York time. And then we have a sell signal, then another buy signal, which is during the market sideway move. Finally, then we have a good short signal as a breakout. Then early morning here, the market did open quite low and getting lower. So I'm still expecting for the market to go further down. So now the price is at the first support level, and we can see that we hope the market will reach this further down at 32.48. So it will be a good bearish move if the market goes to this direction. Okay, so by the way, the beginning of today's session, all is minus with red. With yesterday, the market trading pretty much bearish. Okay, I think that's all for now, because there's not much market movement. So I'm expecting the big move from the market. Okay, so I'm using the indicator of a US session. If you are interested to get in with this indicator, there will be training provided, and it will not 100% a profit indicator, but there will be a losses as long you manage your risk very well. So it will grow your account same like me. So this is how I do the trading for US session. Very simple. Just wait for the signal to come out and then enter the market. So it's quite pretty much easy and endurance friendly, which is quite good. You don't have to draw a line, draw that, and to waste more time on the chart. So you just wait until the signal appeared. At what time? Maybe US session 10 a.m. New York time onwards. First signal, take it. Then your chance is still getting higher and higher every day. So you have fixed it. So you have make it a permanent judgment for that one. So the rest is only the money management and the position sizing, which you can increase from time to time, which can make your account grow. So my account start from 350 US dollar just to prove that a small account can still be grown into 2000, and now is stood at 1900, and I already withdraw three times already, 350, 400 and 250 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm supposed to withdraw yesterday, but my position still floating, and we still expect for the market to have a good move later at the end of the session yesterday, which is I closed my position very late. So it was a good move for Nasdaq. Is my close entry over here. So the account still stood at 1900. So let's see tomorrow. So we trade quite a lot of a number of positions, so it should be the commission a bit higher for this one. So let's hope tomorrow we can get another maybe 300 or 400 US dollar. Then we can make a withdrawal, another withdrawal, maybe my fourth withdrawal for since the past 4 weeks or 3 weeks. Okay, so keep following my live video and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.